So this is the lace, you know, it has, these are like roses, I would imagine. And start sketching a little bit of the flowers. And you have to understand it as it's going over gathering. So if this is gathered, it's not going to be just a flat flower. It's going to want to move with the gathers. So I'm just going to imagine those flowers actually in the gathers and part of the design. Here in the middle, we're going to have also lace, and then this whole part will be just, this will not be gathered. This will be a straight piece over the boning. So I'm going to put some lace flowers here. They're a little bit further apart, but just to get the general idea of the way that design should be. This is all going to be almost even gathered as well, and there'll be some gathering coming from underneath, but this will also be lace. So I'm going to put it as if it is gathered also and not just a flat piece. I'll do the flesh this color, I think. And what I'm going to do is just go on the face and then just go underneath where the hairline would be, like that. And fill in the gaps. And I'm going to put underneath her neck will be more shadow. So I'm going to fill in. And I like to use the side of the marker to do that. Down her arm. There's the pointy part of the marker which I'm using here. And there's also this part which is really for details like the thumb and the forefinger. Now I don't want to put black, so I'm going to actually put forms of gray. I'm going to put it on the dress itself. I'm going to make it so that the gathers will be here. The tiers. I'm going to put this underneath the tiers and above, just to give you an idea of the tier itself, like that. And then I'm going to map out the skirt. She's going to be a redhead. She doesn't have a choice. This is what I have on hand right now. So this is what I'm doing. Map it out with the thin marker first. Okay, here's her ears, there's some behind there, here's her jawline. Will be the skirt. So we've got the fullness and the gathers. Like that. So I'm going to start to fill in the details of the lace itself. And that's going to be an over, so this will be the only part that'll be sort of flat, so you'll see the beauty of the entire piece of lace on this part here. Okay, and then we have this one here, and then probably one down there like that. Be a little bit scrunched because you're going to have folds. And hopefully this will give you a better idea of what the design looks like, so we can go forward with this sketch as well. Okay, now I have to do it on the actual skirt itself. This would be fuller, it'd be a lot heavier. As it's going down and I have less color, you'll also see less detail, because if you have less color, definitely need to have less detail. Okay. And show a little bit more depth on this side. So I'm going to go here. Indicate the layers, so you want it to make it deeper. scallop back down here to the bottom of the lace, like that. A little bit more of the eyelashes itself. I like to do major kind of cat eyes like that. You want to make sure that the gathers look like gathers, and that means the lace has to be through the folds of it. But a little bit more shadow. Let's get a darker one here. I like a little bit more shadow going on like that. Now I'm going to just put the gathers on those pieces so that it makes sense. Yeah, so the designer sketch is very important, and I thought that this would be a good vlog to do now. And let's just, and I'm going to just take out all the pencil if I could. You kind of have to wait till it's dry though, because otherwise you'll smear your sketch.